A-class building and construction. Quality that lasts. With over 40 years combined experience in the Illawarra and Wollongong area, we produce innovative and inspiring lifestyle renovations to enhance your living environment, both inside and out. By following a clear and organised building process, all our projects are delivered with our A-class guarantee. On time, within budget and hassle-free. Whether it's new homes, extensions, renovations, bathrooms or kitchens, even decks and pergolas, get the A-class team to turn your dream into reality.